This is a three comprehensive test chamber integrating temperature, humidity, and vibration. It can apply temperature, humidity, environmental stress, and mechanical stress simultaneously or alternately in the same chamber, truly replicating the complex extreme conditions of products during transportation, flights, or operation. This solves the error issues caused by sample transfer in traditional separate testing. The equipment features a temperature range of -50 to 150 degrees Celsius and a humidity range of 20% RH to 98% RH. It complies with international test standards such as ISO 16750 and MIL/STD A10, with temperature fluctuation controlled within less than or equal to ±0.5 degrees Celsius. It works efficiently with a dedicated lifting platform and vibration shaker, supporting various vibration waveforms. The PLC touch control system allows multi-segment program presetting, real-time monitoring, and data reporting. A built-in camera enables real-time observation of samples inside the chamber, greatly improving test efficiency and ease of operation. The chamber adopts a modular design for convenient maintenance and flexible expansion. The chamber is widely used in automotive electronics, precision electronics, military equipment, aerospace components, and other fields. It effectively shortens RD cycles, exposes hidden defects in advance, strengthens product quality control, and helps enterprises enhance their core competitiveness. If you are interested in this equipment, please leave a comment in the comment section.